When finding coterminal angles in radian measure, you will be adding either 2 pi or subtracting 2 pi. So here we have pi over 7, and so I place it on the coordinate plane so you can see if I were to add 2 pi, basically what I'm doing is moving in the positive direction around the coordinate plane and ending up in that same location. If I subtract 2 pi, again, I'm just moving in the negative direction, but again, still ending up in that same location of pi over 7. So if I'm going to be going ahead to find the coterminal angle of pi over 7, the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 2 pi. Now, in order to do that, I do need to have common denominator, so I'm going to go ahead and put that over 1. The simplest way to do that is to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 7. So really what that results in is pi over 7 minus 14 pi over 7. When we're subtracting fractions, we just subtract the numerators and keep the denominators the same. So therefore, our answer is negative 13 pi over 7.